The profit margin scheme is a scheme whereby a person has an option to calculate tax on the profit margin earned on the supply instead of the entire sale value. So this margin scheme will be helpful to calculate the GST, and also you may see how much you need to pay exactly. So let's choose the template first as profit margin scheme, and here we choose the customer. You can adjust the dates, the you need, in case you need to key in any reference also you can key in. Here you need to choose the product. Then here after this come and choose inclusive tax and key in the sale, entire sale amount. Say for example 5,000 AED. Now you choose the tax, and if you see there is a field as accessible value. You key in the amount, the profit amount here for which the tax is to be calculated. So we have entered 500 here now. So you can see the tax is calculated only for the amount 500. And this is the total price. So this is the way that we need to key in, do the profit margin scheme tax invoice. Okay, so hope this was helpful. Thank you.